Hi, it's Mark here for the Outback company, and today we're here to talk about our supplements. And thanks for joining us again on one of our sessions with frequently asked questions. Today's question is, I notice you have 2 supplements in your range and I'm confused which one should I use for which condition. That's a really great question, so let's address it. We do have 2 supplements. The first one I'm holding here is called Outback Joint Care. Now, Joint Care is based on curcumin, a very well-known anti-inflammatory, and it's blended in this case with Antarctic krill oil to improve the bioavailability of the curcumin by up to 27 times. So we've got a very, very potent anti-inflammatory product here. This one is predominantly for pain relief. You take this on a daily basis, starting on a 2 capsule a day basis for the first week, then progressing to 1 capsule a day after that. This one, as I say, pain relief is its primary function, particularly good for people with arthritis or any other joint condition. It provides pain relief very quickly. Something very different about this supplement is that it will work for you within hours of taking the first supplement. That's very unusual. Most supplements you have to be on for a month or more before you really notice any effect. This one's instant. So that's pain relief from day one, but anti-inflammatory action as you go on. So the more you take it, the better it gets. The pain goes away, because we all know if we get rid of inflammation, we get rid of the source of the pain. Our second supplement is Outback Joint Repair. And as the name suggests, this is for the repair of joints. So this is where cartilage has been worn away, which happens to many of us as we age, of course, in the hips, in the knees. And this product is based on the very famous and world-renowned New Zealand green-lipped mussel extract. Green-lipped mussel is backed by a whole array of scientific studies in that it will help regrow cartilage, very much in the same way that glucosamine does, but green-lipped mussel extract does that as well, and as I say, is backed by a lot of clinical data. So this one's more for long-term use, and particularly for pain and decreased mobility in joints. So if you've got problem areas such as the hips or knees, they just don't bend like they used to, there's pain in there, and you know that you may have suffered loss of cartilage, this is the product for you. So again, pain relief and anti-inflammatory, long-term rebuilding of cartilage. That's the difference between the two. Joint care, joint repair. Check them out on our website, outbackpainrelief.com. If you want to know the answer to this question or any other questions, just go to our website, click on the FAQs link. That's all for today. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.